Oh shit, what's up everyone? You guys came right in time. Today we're gonna be making some ceviche with some shrimp, some fish, and some octopus. First things first, we gotta peel these shrimp. You guys see I'm a pro at this shit because, you know, I don't know, I just like making this. All you do is 2 steps. To peel the shrimp, there's 2 steps. First step, wait, it's not a good one to show you guys on. This tail was cut off, so it didn't work as good. So, okay, you want to get your shrimp. You got your shrimp right here. First step, you pinch the tail and you pull, and the part comes off. Throw that in your disposable, and then the top, you just peel it off like that. Boom. Let me show you guys one more time. Tail, pinch it, pull, comes off, pinch the top, pull it back, get the feet, back again. One more time. Tail, pinch it, pull, back. Oh man, this one messed up. Back. Pull it off the back. Okay, that one didn't work that good. But it's easier to peel shrimp. If you struggle, just keep doing it and you'll peel it. Tail, pull it, back, pinch it, feet come off. Boom. Alright, so now that you have your shrimp peeled, you want to butterfly your shrimp, which is cutting them down the middle and removing the vein that they have right there. The vein of shit. I don't know what's in. Yeah, it's what the shrimp eat, and it's going towards their anal area. Yeah, so you just cut it down the middle, like so, and you pull it out. Pull all that nasty stuff out and just let it chill on your fingers, and at the end you just get a treat for yourself. No, I'm just kidding, you wash your hands. So once you do this, after this, once this is all done, you rinse them in cold water. Okay, so our shrimp is now peeled, deveined, and ready to cook. We have our water on the stove waiting for that to reach a boil. Once that reaches a boil, we'll throw them on, but meanwhile we're gonna squeeze some lemon juice. Some lime juice. You know, we're just gonna squeeze these limes for our fish. Oh yeah, yeah. Squeeze them lemons. Okay, so we have our tilapia. Grind it up. Pretty much just tilapia fillets that are ground down. So ground fish, any ground fish will work. What you're gonna add is pepper, lots and lots and lots of pepper. Now we're gonna get some garlic powder. Kobe, salt. The higher you throw your salt, the more evenly it will spread. Boom, salt's in. And now we get our lime juice that we just freshly squeezed and throw it in there. Woo, that's a lot of lime juice. Buggy. Okay, mix everything up. And there you go. You see how it was pink? It's gonna turn white, and that's how you know it's done cooking from the lime juice. Throw this in the fridge, and now our shrimp is boiled. We're gonna chop it up into little pieces. Boom, we're gonna just continue chopping this up. Okay, so our fish has been marinated in the lemon for about 20 minutes now, and our shrimp is in there now, nice and chopped up. We're gonna give it a mix. No, before we mix it, we're gonna throw in our 1 whole onion, finely chopped, finely diced. Get it in there. Boom. Hope this fits. Oh, 1 onion, and then we're gonna give it a mix. You see our fish is no longer pink, now it's white, and that's how you know it's fully cooked by the lemon. Okay, now to chop up the rest of the stuff. Taste it. Nice. Okay, we're cutting up some cilantro. Cilantro. Okay, now we peeled our cucumber, and what we're gonna do is put it down the middle, and then you see the seeds inside the cucumber. We don't want these, so what you use is a spoon and you scrape them out. Boom, cucumber's clean. So you're gonna do that to your cucumber because I don't know, the texture. You don't like the texture. You could eat this, make a drink out of it, whatever you want, throw it away. That's what we're doing, but yeah. Clean. And we're gonna get nice squares of cucumber. Ready, chopped up, finally, in. That's how Chef Ramsay says. In. Okay. Our ceviche ya está listo, bien sabroso, bien rico. No me lo vamos a mixtear. Y'all hear that? Do y'all see this? Gonna give it a little taste. Needs a little bit more salt. And a little bit more pepper. Okay. I think we should be good now.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's ready now. It's just time to plate it. We're gonna grab a nice spoonful of this stuff right here. Pour it on there. All right, get some avocado. An octopus that we cooked with the shrimp. Oh man, there's liquid in here. Oh, and we're done. Check this out, man. If this does not look delicious, I don't know, man. This right here looks bomb. We got ourselves our modelo negra. We're not making miches today, but pop it open with a knife. Gonna give it a quick taste test and see if I approve. I already know I approve, but damn. We got a little octopus. Wait.